June 30, around 10:30. So today, look at the weather, and it's going to be hot and sunny. The local, no, not local. The LPA has moved away. There were a lot of clouds the past several days since the 27th, and today is sunny. So it appears that for a depleted battery, it takes a while. Like I mentioned, it's not instantaneous to recharge a battery, especially when it's cloudy. So recently, this device arrived. I had it wired up to the inverter. So the PV, or the voltage from the solar, is 66, and the system is or it's providing about an amp into the inverter. So 65 an amp. This thing gives peak power, and then it's so far it's giving out 61 amp hour. So this thing has some value. So 0.95 amp hour. So that's what it means. So it has injected zero point 0.5 amp hour into the PV. So let's take a look. So the PV voltage and the that contraption voltage is about the same. It's 1 amp. Over there it's slightly over 1 amp. The current resolution is coarse. It either show you 0 amp or 1 amp. But however, there's always a but. However, in this, anything less than 1 amp will be zero in the inverter. So that's what it means. So tonight I am going to do the tests. I'm going to power this up, run the house from 7 until the battery is discharged, and then recharge again. So it'll be interesting. This thing shouldn't be used to series to the battery. The battery cable here will take if you series this to the battery, it would melt. The gauge is too skinny. In fact, the gauge here is like 12 gauge. These are 1/0, so or 14 square millimeter. In fact, in the future, I should put in 25 square millimeter, and I'll do that before it gets to Solano. So to make sure the battery losses, IR losses, are mitigated. So this is what it looked like. This watt meter. It has some nice feature, I suppose. Um, Gives you a much better resolution on the current. Shows anything less than 1 amp, it goes into the millivolts, and gives you amp hour going into the battery. So that's a nice feature. Thanks for watching.